Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm working on the radiators. I'm gonna finish what I started. Getting all aligned, the little fins, so they could look like new. It came out actually pretty good. They were really damaged, so the first radiator I did was my first attempt. I saw a video on YouTube and I had to do it. So the second radiator came out way better, and I'm happy with that result. Also, I'm waiting for the floor mats. I ordered the suspension bushings. I don't know how to say it in English or pronounce it, but I ordered them. We're waiting for them to come. What else? And we got the new clear coat that we're happy. So when we paint the car for the final paint, it's gonna come out good. We're waiting for that glassy clear coat. And well, I've been working on other projects, so I'm gonna include it here in the video a little bit. I've been working on my other Ducati. I'm doing like a Street Fighter cafe racer slash, I don't know how to call it, build with that Ducati. So yeah, that's another project I have. Sadly, I had to sell my Italjet dragster, the yellow one. It broke. It was another headache. I don't need that right now. I have so many projects with me right now, and I still haven't finished. So I have to focus on like the Testarossa and the Ducatis right now, and then I'll do the other projects. So another thing I'm doing that I wanted to share with you is I'm going to the track on Thursday. So today I went to my friend's shop. I'm going to show you a few clips in the end of this video, and he has cool cars over there, and we're gonna be filming a few cars over there, Porsche specifically. So yeah, and I'll be this week I'm going to my friend's house to film the 935 DP. I don't know how to, yeah, I think the Porsche. That barn find is not a barn find because it's his, but he left it like neglected for a lot of years. And yeah, I think you guys are gonna enjoy that car. So yeah, let me not talk anymore and let me just show you the clips. So have a great weekend, guys. So guys, this is how is I hope is gonna look like. This is similar to this. The difference that I'm gonna put the brand new Panigale front that I ordered. I'm waiting from it to come. So I'm really happy. I think I'm gonna go white. It's in primer still. I don't know what color yet. I was thinking white or maybe Tiffany blue. I don't know because what's up guys? So now I'm going to my friend's shop. He just gave me a call because he has a car that he wants me to check out and take pictures and I don't know. Let's see. So we'll be going next to the shop and then tomorrow we're going to the track.